abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Texas, at 2:29 p.m. until 9, 2025, effective until 2:29 p.m. till 10, 2025. Amber Alert, child abduction from Brownwood, Texas. Suspect vehicle is white Mercury sedan with a known license plate. Missing child is Dahlia Breed, 15-year-old white female, last seen wearing black hoodie with red scarf, black pants with multicolored backpack. Suspect is an unknown 30-year-old white male with reddish-brown hair. Call Brownwood PD with information. If seen, call 911.